Welcome to Bionet. This is Altaf. Today I will give the motivation class to target 2021 NEET examination. So I wrote some points in the blackboard. This is that see. First point I wrote here self analysis, and second self motivation, third method of question paper reading, and fourth overconfidence, and fifth time factor. So today we will discuss about the 5 points which are highly needed for the target 2021 NEET. So first is self analysis. What the meaning of self analysis? Most of you already started the target to that completion of the NEET examination. You know that suppose you start tomorrow onwards, the NEET will conduct in September 12th, means the go to 45 days in your hands. Only how many days are there? 45 days. Now analysis start every day. So how many hours you are studying for that, preparing for that NEET? It may be minimum 8 hours, maximum 10 to 12. That it depends upon your preparation. Clear? Self analysis is highly essential. You can every day you check yourself that how you are preparing for that NEET. You are getting the NEET target, you can fill up or not. Everyday preparation with examination is correctly you are attending or not, or you are wasting the time something. After you come to the self motivation. Motivation means during this period. So most of the colleges are not going on. You are just taking online classes, or sometime it will be going on some coaching centers. Just going to be start. So here just motivate yourself that so I am preparing for myself to getting the NEET. So here no need for the any faculties or any guideline for me. Myself, that is called self motivation, to be burn and create some motivation and some excitement and some energy to get preparation hard. That is called smart work with hard work. And here one self motivation is very important. Hard work and smart work. The two types of work is there. Hard work. So hard work is without interest. There is no use. It is one of the failure. So hard work with this interest, that needed for that self motivation. So motivate you done that interest should be there. Interest with study. The 2 points needed. Without interest you can't be success. So interest with study, it will be come to that goal. Reach the goal. Reach the goal need interest study. That is called self motivation. After come to the method of question paper reading. So sometime what happened, they given the one question paper. You read the question paper minimum. If it is very easy, 2 times. If it is somewhat difficult or confusion, means minimum 3 times. 3 times read the question. Every question find out the meaning of this. Sometimes they ask the question ICBN. What the full form of ICBN? So International Code for Botanical Nomenclatures. So sometime what happened, instead of this ICBN, they given that I Botanical IBNC, for example. So IBNC means they are looking like similar, both are ICBN and IBNC, but the abbreviation is different. Here ICBN means International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, and IBNC means International, that is a bacterial nomenclature. So here that bacteria what will become if it is start with ICB. So here in this type of questions you can rectify that. While a method of question paper reading means clearly just identify that it is a recurrence ICB is there or IBN. Due to overconfidence, don't make the wrong instead of this. So next is called overconfidence. Overconfidence means first you start to read the NEET question papers. When you start to read means for few questions are very easy. At that time your confidence level will increase. So when the confidence level increase, that will be come to the overconfidence. Overconfidence after so many necessary or so many useful questions you can be done mistakes. That is called overconfidence. So here I give the one example for this, for the overconfidence. So you take one glass of water. So in the glass of water you fill the water up to half. 50% of water, and make your brain the empty for that remaining 50%. So this is not the overconfidence, it is only for the confidence. If the confidence is there, then you can load the water, you pour the water to fill the glass. Like that in examination also, if you keep your brain up to half only, it may be overconfidence, you know the answers, easy questions, even though it will take you the half of the glass like water, you can the brain you keep half of that water like, and remaining half you can feel by that confidence only. So don't be overconfidence. Overconfidence is one of the, it is the wrong process to getting the more negative marks. Remember this point. So negative marks you will get only due to the overconfidence. Confidence it is good, but overconfidence is not good for that. So you will get less mark in the NEET due to the negative marks. So next we pay time factor. Time factor is very very important. Already that due to this corona, you can spoil the times and you are not getting more interested to study at home, because the atmosphere is needed for that study. So atmosphere means coaching center or either colleges, these things are needed, but at home you can do same thing, be very difficult. So time factor is important for that. So you can find out that 1 week, in 1 week how many hours you can spend, how many hours you prepare the first week for preparation. So suppose per day you can take 10 hours, 10 into just multiply 1 week. 1 week means you don't leave the Sunday also, it will continuation should be there. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days. So into 7, that means 70 hours. So till the target NEET 2021, you forget the Sunday, you forget the functions, you forget all these things. Only goal is to reach the NEET. That is called target 2021 NEET. So here per week 70 hours should be read, prepare with interest, without interest. With interest you can prepare up to 70 hours per week, 1 week. Like that continuously you go through that. So how many days? The 45 days are there. 45 days you continue without loss the timing. That is the time factor is very very important. So you calculate 1 week and how many weeks you can planning according to that. Time factor is very very important. So many disturbances are there, relatives came, functions, all these things. About all these things, your goal is only for target NEET 2021. Once you can do and you can follow these systems, these points, means definitely you get that NEET 2021. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Good luck for NEET 2021.